All right, so I'm gonna put a lift kit on this Connex box. We're going up about a foot. We're gonna try to level it out. This is end up gonna be a 40 by 40 concrete slab, and then another Connex box over there, and then a roof over it. So today we're just putting a lift kit on it. Here's our blocks here. And we built a while back, and then I got electrical, so I gotta undo the electrical so I can extend that out as well. They're coming in here. We're gonna disconnect your power, your neutral, your ground, and then got some extenders we're gonna put on it. Put a new little head on there and see what happens. All right, so this is my lifting device. Got my blue diamond root bucket. And we're gonna go right under here, lift it up, crib it up, stick the blocks under. Should be pretty easy. So I got the old head cut off, and we'll put the new one on a little longer. So I got these little connectors. It's got Allen wrench, Allen set screws that hold each wire. Comes with grease in them, and it's for extending wires, so I'll be able to extend my 2-hots. It's got a very cool rubbery boot. It's rubber. There we go. This power with an extender going back to my main, and then my other main's coming down to another connector. Got my plugs back in it, and my neutral was long enough. It was actually over on this side, but I just removed the lug, put it over here, worked out, and then my ground was actually wrapped around on this side and just put on this lug. You got a connector bar, so basically they're both ground and neutral is the same thing. Got the ramp built now. We're up, we're leveled. Got it on blocks. Worked out pretty good. All the blocks are a little bit different size just so I can bring it back up level.